Alright, for any of you out there who use LiPo batteries for your RC or FPV flying, you're familiar with the HTRC, either the T150, T240, or the C150, C240 chargers. They're actually pretty good. One thing that everybody knows stinks is they're loud as hell. They got a built-in fan, which I've taken out here. Now the fan, fits into the side, and it plugs into this little connector right here. Well, it turns out that when I measured it, it runs at 16 volts when it's on. That's really way more than it needs. Turns out I'm an electrical engineer, and I found that if you just put a 100 ohm resistor in the line, so you basically splice it in to the regular line. I'll cover this up with the heat shrink here before I put it back away. It'll drop the voltage down to the fan to about 8 volts, and it's way quieter. And with testing I've done earlier, it doesn't make any difference on how hot the back plate gets here. So get yourself a 100 ohm 1 watt resistor, and a 1 watt axial lead resistor like this is a ½ inch from one end to the other, and that's what you need. It'll be dissipating about a little over ½ a watt, so use a 1 watt resistor and you'll be fine. Make sure when you put it back together, you just place it kind of in the open space out here, and it'll be all happy as can be. To get these apart, there's just 4 screws at the bottom. You just pull the pads off of the little feet there, Phillips screws, take them out. You'll have this done in a ½ an hour, and you'll be back in business and a lot quieter charging experience. Alright, that's what it looks like back in place. I just suggest when you take the fan out, maybe mark an arrow on the top so you know which direction you're going to put the fan back in. So as far as the resistor color coding, you want ones that's got brown, black, brown. That'd be 100 ohms. I got a pack plugged in. We'll get it fired up here, and you'll be able to notice the difference in the sound. So we've got LiPo. We'll put it on balance charge. Start. It sounds just about as loud as a normal computer fan is all now. It's perfect. Alright, hope that helps. Have a good day.